Let's find out in this video, but before we do, please subscribe to the channel. My name's Sage for Kalkine Media. Have you heard of Porsche? Well, Porsche, a subsidiary of Volkswagen and a well-known name in the world of luxury sports cars, is planning to go public soon. According to the Newsroom, Porsche's media portal, the company has welcomed the decision of Volkswagen to offer up to 25% of preferred shares of Porsche in an initial public offering, or IPO for short. For those unaware, Volkswagen is the world's biggest automaker in terms of annual sales. It is also one of the largest car makers in the world. According to Refinitiv data, this IPO could be the largest one in the German history and the largest in Europe since 1999. The IPO is intended to provide Porsche with increased entrepreneurial independence to execute its strategy. And earlier this month, Porsche had presented its intentions to float into the public space by late September or early October and completed by year's end. However, the announcement also highlighted that the listing and timing was subject to further capital market developments. Porsche's CEO, Oliver Blume, has called it a historic moment for Porsche. He also stated that the company believes an IPO would open up a new chapter for them, providing them with increased independence as one of the world's most successful sports car manufacturers. According to the announcement, the IPO would comprise public offerings in Germany, Austria, France, Italy, Spain and Switzerland, and private placements to institutional investors. Investors expect a valuation between 60 billion and 85 billion euros. While the Porsche brand is strong, valuations of other luxury car makers such as Aston Martin and Ferrari have since fallen. According to Reuters, Qatar will be a cornerstone investor intending to commit to 4.99% stake in the newly listed company. Volkswagen also approved a 25% plus one share of ordinary shares in Porsche AG to be sold to Porsche SE, giving the controlling Porsche and Piëch families a blocking minority and bolstering their push for a tighter leash on the car maker. Volkswagen said an IPO would be a significant step in the transformation of the company as it aims to build out its software and electric vehicle offering. Porsche's status as a luxury brand able to bump up prices makes it a moneymaker for the Volkswagen Group. Its operating profit jumped 22% in the first half of this year, in contrast to an 8% fall at the mass market-oriented Volkswagen brand. But some investors say, with European shares on a downward spiral, inflation at record highs and Russia's halting gas supply, it is a dangerous time for a stock market debut. If the initial public offering is successful, Volkswagen will convene an extraordinary general meeting in December to propose a special dividend of 49% of the proceeds to shareholders to be distributed in early 2023. Germany's Car Association expects a 4% drop in passenger car deliveries in Europe this year, with the hoped-for post-pandemic recovery yet to emerge. Back in the 1990s, the debut of the energy firm Enel on the Milan and New York stock exchanges came with a blast of hype. In fact, demand for shares in the state-owned business was so high that the government boosted its original sale volume from 15% to 30%. Each share was priced at €4.30. The company's IPO was tipped to be the largest in history. Thanks for joining us. Now, if you like this information, give it a like, share it, comment on the video below, subscribe to the channel. If you press the bell icon, you'll be notified of the most recent videos from Kalkine. But for more articles, do head to the website. It's kalkinemedia.com. And my name's Sage for Kalkine Media.